of Pakistan, the present Karachi division, formerly known as Kalachi, was a single district from 1947 after the formation of Pakistan. What happened to the local population of Kalachi, which has been inhabited for centuries? As a result, the centuries-old local tribes of Karachi, Kalachi, Jokyo, Kalmati, Gabol, Barft, Pahambar, Palri, Memon, Khaskheli, Humayun, Magnaher, etc. were formed under a conspiracy to form KDA and KMC. I was pushed out of the Kalachi city of Karachi and deprived of all their basic human and legal rights. They were forcibly stripped of their lands, fields and herds by bulldozers, and new settlers from India were resettled and given all kinds of facilities. The Hindus who migrated to India from Sindh, Karachi, Kalachi, their properties were taken over by the people who came from India. After 1974, the present Karachi division was divided into 3 districts and the situation of the local population remained the same as it was after the formation of Pakistan. In 1993, during the first government of Shahid Motarma Benazir Bhutto, Kalachi division was divided into 4 districts, namely a new district named Malir. The aim was to dope the ancient population, especially in the rural areas. The Malir Development Authority came into being in 1996 to develop the people of this new district, Malir. But it also wreaked havoc on the local population. Locals from the Jokyo and Kalmati tribesmen seized 6,000 acres of land in Dejorji and their fields were razed. Not a single man has been given a job in the Malir Development Authority by local farmers and victims. In 1993, 13,500 acres of land in Dedando and Kotirdu in Malir district were allotted to a military establishment by the Sindh government as a gift. This affected 15 Goths of the local Jokyo tribe living in Dedando and Dekotero, and to this day every facility of the government in all these Goths has been blocked by the powerful institutions and the local population of all these Goths has come to life deprived of every basic human and legal right. In 2004, under General Musharraf, an additional 50,600 acres of land was gifted to the military establishment, giving a population of more than 4 dozen Goths in Dedindu, De Ghaggar, De Kotirdu, De Georgi, De Ghaggar and De Dabeji. Is affected. Between 2003 and 2006, the Sindh government allotted 12,095 acres of land in the name of DHA, Phase 9 in De Abdar, De Khadiji, and this has affected 8 Goths of the local Jokyo tribe in their lands, farms, was captured. To this day, they have been deprived of employment opportunities. The Sindh government has allotted 8,000 acres of land to DHA in De Bail and Kathor. This has affected 3 Goths of the local population and their land, fields and employment have been seized. The government of Sindh has gifted approximately 50,000 acres of land to Baria town, Malik Riaz, in De Langiji, De Kathor and 3 villages in Jamshoro district of Malir district. The Sindh government has allotted 400 acres of land in the name of PUF Housing Society in Dekotero to a military establishment. The Sindh government has allotted 50 acres of land to Pakistan Rangers in Dekotirdu. More than 200 acres of land is demarcated in the name of VTG Airbase in Dejorji. There is a field firing range on thousands of acres of land along the superhighway toll plaza. The Sindh government has allotted 9,000 acres of land in Dechohar in the name of Education City. Today, the site of Cadet College Karachi, Shahid Motarma Benazir Bhutto Sahiba 500-bed hospital, Quaid-e-Azam Public School and B.Ed College, Aga Khan University is established. But the local population has been deprived of employment opportunities. In 1974, under an agreement between the government of Sindh and the Federation of Pakistan, thousands of acres of land in Dejorji, Kotirdu, Khanto, Sanhro, Bakran, Pipri were occupied by Pakistan Steel Mill, Port Qasim Authority, Bin Qasim Industrial Zone, Steel Town, Gulshan-e-Hadid. But employment opportunities are not available for the local affected population. Local farmers of Malir district have been allotted 10-year lease of land for the first time in the open court in 1986-87 during the tenure of dictator General Zia-ul Haq and later changed to 30-year lease allotment. It is unfortunate that the present Democratic Pakistan People's Party government has cancelled the 30-year lease lands of local farmers in Malir district, including the whole of Sindh. In 1995-96, a 30-year lease of land for non-indigenous poultry farms was given a 99-year lease allotment at the rate of 5 rupees per yard. But local farmers in Malir district were deprived of this 99-year lease policy. Even today, public plotting is going on in Malir district on thousands of acres of government land and fake 30-year lease deed. Occupants and influential people of the provincial government rulers are involved in this heinous crime business. The land of Malir district is being looted like donkeys with both hands and feet as booty. The people of Malir district wandered around like a rubber stamp and helpless. The elected representatives of Malir district do not even have enough in their area to appoint local patwaris or SHOs. Illegal land grabbing is currently the most lucrative business in Malir district. All orders of the Supreme Court of Pakistan to take legal action against illegal encroachments have been placed on the tip of the shoe by the Sindh provincial government. In Malir district, on the one hand, illegal land grabbing is on the rise. On the other hand, the local population is worried about its survival and has been circling the courts for years. At present in Malir district, the number of local officers in provincial government agencies is not even equal to the salt and flour. The elected representatives of Malir district also do not have the right to speak on the bill, resolution of their choice in the Sindh Assembly or Malik Riaz's malpractice in Malir. Now it has reached such a point that, apart from Baria town, other builder mafia has also become active, which is occupying lands with the full cooperation of the PPP provincial government and building societies and selling plots to non-natives for crores of rupees. They are earning with the help of some locals. Agriculture in Malir is almost gone, and what is left is being wiped out. The situation of the local population is that they are not given electricity, they do not have gas and they do not have any hospital. The lives of Afghans living in camps here are easier than in these places, but they have all the facilities they need. Malir district, which was a paradise 40 years ago, is now Beirut and autumn is everywhere. Malir district, which used to grow all the fruits in paradise 40 years ago, is suffering from famine today. Malir district is being occupied, which includes government patronage here, so drugs, sand and gravel theft, unemployment, illegal land grabbing, non-local resettlement rule.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व आले मुहम्मद। चेयरमैन पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी मोहतरम बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी साहब ने बहरिया टाउन और मुकामी लोगों के दरमियान जो तनाज़ा चल रहा है उस पर सीएम साहब को हिदायत दी कि वो सख्त एक्शन लें, और चीफ मिनिस्टर सिंध सईद मुराद अली शाह साहब ने मुकामी लोगों की शिकायत पर फौरी तौर पर एसी मुख्तियारकार और SHO गडाब को हटाने की हिदायत कर दी और उनके ख़िलाफ़ इंक्वायरी के लिए भी कह दिया। और ये भी सईद मुराद अली शाह साहब ने वाज़ेह किया कि मुकामी लोगों का मुकम्मल तौर पर तहफ़्फ़ुज़ किया जाएगा और उनसे किसी किस्म की ज़्यादती किसी को भी करने नहीं देंगे, और कानूनी तौर पर जिसका जो भी हक़ हो उसको मुकम्मल तौर पर तहफ़्फ़ुज़ दिया जाएगा।